what you have when a baby's helping you cook. Hey, I'm helping Mommy cook. What are you doing? You silly girl. Eleanor, what you doing? Eleanor, what are you doing? Yeah. You shouldn't eat that. Up? You need help up? What are you doing in the drawer? You can't get up, huh? Are you stuck? This is Eleanor's drawer. It's Eleanor's drawer because it has the plastic junk in it that doesn't matter if she plays with it or not. Uh-oh, is it all out? What are we doing? Up? Up? Can you get up? Or are you stuck? Are you stuck? You can get up? Do you need help up? Do you need help? Oops. Give Mommy your hand. Give Mommy your hand. Give Mommy your hand, Eleanor. Take my hand. There, like this. There we go. Like that. There you go. Take your feet out. Ta-da. Yay! All done. I'm gonna pick up. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. That's the camera.